Kahari Resort is located on a private beach on Stocking Island. The area is home to several local landmarks such as Rolletown Tombs and Hermitage Tomb, while its natural beauty can be experienced at Lucayan Archipelago and Jolly Hall Beach. Visitors can indulge in various water activities, including boat tours or explore the great outdoors with hiking/biking trails and cave exploration. Kahari Resort is a 4-star hotel situated by the ocean. It offers several amenities such as a terrace, fire pit, and a garden. With a private beach, free beach cabanas, and sun loungers, this hotel is the perfect place to soak up some sun. Guests can also enjoy a massage or other spa services. The hotel features a 24-hour gym and activities like kayaking, snorkeling, and sailing. An arcade/game room, an outdoor entertainment area, and a bar are available to all guests. Other perks of staying at Kahari Resort include an outdoor pool with sun loungers and pool umbrellas, local cuisine breakfast, available for a surcharge, a round-trip airport shuttle, available for a surcharge, and beach umbrellas. The hotel also provides a front desk safe, beach towels, and a gift shop. The porter/bellhop, smoke-free premises, and concierge services are also available. If you'd like to make a reservation at this stunning property, please click on the following link.